Crash Courses. Today's Crash Course is on Bigfoot. Maybe you've heard of him. Big guy. Also goes by Sasquatch in Canada, Yeti in the Himalayas, and as I like to call him, Stinky Bob.
Sir, there's no proof that such a creature actually exists.
Then why do people around the world have a name for him? Huh? So I'm headed into the woods to find pseudoscientific proof that Bigfoot exists.
Okay.
And to make sure I find one, I'll be wearing a sandwich suit and ringing a dinner bell.
That's a horrible idea. There's a lot of wild animals that would probably love turning into a big messy sandwich. Have you thought of that?
Of course not. And now for today's Fast Facts. Fact number 1. Bigfoot, also called Sasquatch, is the ape-man legend from North America about a huge hairy creature that roams the woods and mountains. Fact number 2. Stories and sightings of ape-men like Bigfoot have been reported in Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. And fact 3. Some people have spent decades collecting evidence to try to prove that Bigfoot is real. That evidence includes scat, hair, footprint molds, and sound recordings. To the woods!
Wait!
Sandra, here I am in my irresistible sandwich suit. Ooh, I can't wait to see what happens next.
I'm predicting you're devoured.
Oh, Sandra! I'm sure a Bigfoot will be lured in, and I'll be celebrated the world over, and children will get a day off from school on my birthday. Oh, you hear that? Bigfoot is upon us. There he is! Sandra, it turns out that Bigfoot looks exactly like a grizzly bear. I'm going in for a closer look.
Again, that's a horrible idea, sir.
Come here, Mr. Bigfoot. You little... It's a bear. Ah, that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.